Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we'll explore one of the simplest but most important C# programs, printing text to the console. This exercise will show you how to display hello and your own name on a separate lines using the WriteLine method. It is a beginner-friendly way to get started with C# coding and understand how console output works. Let's dive in. Here's the task. Write a C# program that prints hello on one line and your name on the next line. It's straightforward, but it teaches us the core concepts of output in C#. Printing text to the console is one of the first building blocks you'll use in almost every program, so mastering this is key. Let's break this down. First, every C# program starts with a class. Here, we call it exercise 1. Inside it, we have the main method. This is where the program begins the execution. The system Console.WriteLine method is what actually prints text to the screen. The first call prints hello, and the second call prints the name, Alexandra Abramov. Because WriteLine automatically moves to the next line after printing, the name appears neatly underneath hello. Here's the step-by-step flow. First, the program starts at the main method. The console is empty at this point. Then, the first WriteLine prints hello. The second WriteLine prints the name directly below it. Finally, the program ends, leaving both lines displayed in the console. Simple. However, this structure is the foundation for building more complex programs. When we run the program, the only input is pressing the run or execute button. The console will then output hello, followed by the name on the new line. Notice how there's no user input required here. The program just runs and displays the text we've coded into it. You might be thinking, when will I ever just need to print hello and my name? The truth is, this exercise introduces you to the console output system. In the real world, console output is used for logging, debugging, and display progress messages, and even interacting with users in text-based. To wrap up, we saw how to print hello and your name in two separate lines using the WriteLine method. This exercise showed us the structure of a simple C# program and gave us the confidence to start coding. Remember, even the most advanced developers began with printing simple text. This is your first big step into C#. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.